What is the Pomodoro technique?
The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that breaks work into short, focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, called Pomodoros. Each work session is followed by a brief 5-minute break. This cycle helps prevent burnout and boosts productivity by encouraging regular rest and sustained focus. A Pomodoro timer assists by tracking these structured periods for you.
Key features of a Pomodoro timer.
A Pomodoro timer includes core features: setting a work interval, triggering a timer, and signaling when time is up. It should automatically switch between work and break intervals. Optional extras may include session counters, customizable durations, and notifications. Minimal versions focus on clarity and ease of use, making them great starter projects for learning to code timers.
Choosing a programming language.
To code a Pomodoro timer, you can use languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java. Python is recommended for beginners due to its readable syntax and a large number of helpful libraries. JavaScript is ideal for creating timers in web browsers. Choose the language you're most comfortable with, or use this project to learn something new.
Core logic of a Pomodoro timer.
The basic logic starts by setting 2 durations, one for work time, typically 25 minutes, and one for break time, often 5 minutes. The program then uses a loop, running a countdown for work, alerting the user when time's up, then doing the same for the break. This repeats for several cycles, helping users work efficiently.
Sample code structure explained.
A minimal version of the timer contains code to collect user input, a way to track minutes and seconds, and messages for transitions. In Python, for example, the time.sleep function handles the countdown. The timer can print messages, beep, or show a notification when a session ends. This shows the core concept without requiring advanced libraries.
Building good habits with your timer.
Coding and using your own Pomodoro timer can boost your focus and productivity. It serves as a reminder to work in short, efficient bursts and take regular breaks. As you gain coding experience, you can enhance your timer with new features or adapt it to your style, making it a practical tool for any workflow.